everybody, it's Agent Janisha Smith, and I am in the lab today. I am excited to be talking to you today. In the Life as a Buyer, we talk about all sorts of topics, and today we're going to be talking about one thing that is extremely important. It's one of the first things that you should do in the Life as a Buyer, which is get pre-approved. And what I want to talk to you about today are the different loan options. And I'm going to focus specifically on conventional and FHA. So let's talk about conventional loans. Conventional loans are basically mortgage products that are offered by financial institutions so that borrowers can purchase homes. Conventional loans also have a couple characteristics, and this speaks to the pre-approval process. And those are going to be the requirements for pre-approval. There's a few things that I usually share with my buyers and talk about, and that's making sure that you are clear on the fact that when you're getting pre-approved, the lender's going to be looking at your credit score. And on conventional loans, they usually want your credit score to be in a higher bracket. Another thing that you want to be clear on is what your debt to income ratio requirement is. With conventional loan products, the debt to income ratio is usually something around 43%. You can confirm with the lender for the loan product that you're getting pre-approved for, but you don't really want to go higher than that if you want to be considered for a conventional loan. And the most important and most asked question about the loan process and the thing that keeps buyers out of the game is the down payment requirement. Now, you will be happy to know that for conventional loan products, the requirement is not always 20%. Traditionally, it has been known to be 20%, but in the more recent years, the requirements have changed for some conventional loan products, and sometimes you can put as low as 3% down, 5 or even 10%. So I am always excited to share that bit of information with my buyers because real talk, you guys, nobody or not a lot of people have 20% of the purchase price of the home that they want to buy just kind of sitting in the bank. So when you learn that the requirements are lower than what you think, it is more motivating and encouraging and hopefully will get you into the buyer's seat. The FHA loan comes with what we call PMI. Boop. And PMI stands for private mortgage insurance. And generally this mortgage insurance applies to any loan that where there's a buyer or borrower putting less than 20% down. However, with FHA, it's always a requirement. So you will be paying a premium on top of your actual PITI, principal, interest, taxes, and insurance, which is your mortgage. Another thing to know about FHA that I consider a benefit is that the requirements for getting pre-approved are not as strict as on a conventional loan. For instance, on FHA products, I've heard of buyers getting pre-approved with credit scores as low as 560. So it just kind of opens the doors for buyers who feel like they may not be in the position to buy, but they actually find out about these products and they learn that they're more prepared and ready and in position than what they thought. Another great thing about FHA products that's different than conventional loans is that your loan down payment is usually always going to be about 3.5%. Of course, talk with the lender to confirm that, but that's generally what the FHA loans are known for. And also, when they are looking at your debt to income ratio in the pre-approval process and they're considering you for the FHA loan, I've heard of buyers getting pre-approved with a debt to income ratio of at least 56%. What? You guys, when I hear information like this, I just feel like it has broken down walls and barriers for a lot of buyers who are sitting on the sidelines in the position feeling that they're not able to buy. So these are details that I like to share with my clients so that you know what options are available. Now, these are just different types of loans. There's way more types. And within those loan types, there's loan products. So what I recommend you do is if you are ready to get in the buyer seat so you can be in the life as a buyer, You should definitely reach out to your loan professionals. If you need contacts for a loan or lenders or mortgage professionals, I'm here for you. That's one of my jobs is to connect you with the professionals that are going to help you to get through this process successfully, starting with me. So contact me today. I have some amazing lenders that you can reach out to help you get in the buyer seat so that you can move into the life as a buyer. Thank you so much for listening today. If you enjoyed this information, please subscribe to my channel. You can also reach out to me for a free buyer consultation if you're ready to jump into the life as a buyer, and I will be happy to get you through the process successfully, as well as give you some recommendations for lenders who can get you through the pre-approval process. Thank you for listening, you guys. See you next time.